everyone, and welcome to my channel. Happy to have you here for this new video. Before we get started, if this is your first time watching my channel, feel free to subscribe to stay updated on future math challenges that we'll tackle together. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Square root of 99 minus 3 times the square root of 44 plus the square root of 1100 is equal to n times the square root of 11. It is observed that 99 is equal to 9 times 11. 44 is equal to 4 times 11. And 1100 is equal to 100 times 11. Therefore, we will replace 99 with 9 times 11, 44 with 4 times 11, and replace 1100 with 100 times 11. So we write the equality as follows. Square root of 9 times 11 minus 3 times the square root of 4 times 11 plus the square root of 100 times 11 is equal to n times the square root of 11. Now, we will use the properties that the square root of the product is equal to the product of the square roots. That is, the square root of a times b is equal to the square root of a times the square root of b. So, we write the equality as follows. Square root of 9 times the square root of 11 minus 3 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 11 plus the square root of 100 times the square root of 11 is equal to n times the square root of 11. Is square root of 9 is equal to 3, square root of 4 is equal to 2, and square root of 100 is equal to 10. The equality becomes 3 times the square root of 11 minus 3 times 2 times the square root of 11 plus 10 times the square root of 11 is equal to n times the square root of 11. Now we perform the possible calculations. 3 times the square root of 11 minus 6 times the square root of 11 plus 10 times the square root of 11 is equal to n times the square root of 11. Here we have the square root of 11 in every term of this subtraction. So we factor out the square root of 11. Square root of 11 times, we open the parentheses, 3 minus 6 plus 10 is equal to n times the square root of 11. This gives 7 times the square root of 11 is equal to n times the square root of 11. We deduce that n is equal to 7. And there you have it. We have solved this math problem together. A big thank you to all of you for following this video to the end. See you soon.